All right, here's a little progress report. I'm not going to bore you with showing you how I do the trees because there's been so many videos about that. I think you kind of get the drift of it. But this is my little diorama setup. Got my glue. And my little dishes, I mix them up. And these trees are drying right now on a piece of cardboard. This is what I use to hold them on. These are about ready now. They've been sitting here for about 15 minutes or so, drying with the glue. Now I wanted to pick them up and spray them with the Mod Podge clear sealer. I'm going to try that. That works pretty good. Once it dries, you can touch the trees and they don't really. All kind of stuff doesn't fall off, so it doesn't get too messy. I did see on one YouTube video, a gentleman uses I think like an Elmer's spray glue. He said that works pretty good. I might see if I can get that and try that. So, but just quick showing you where we're at. I'm just making a bunch of them up, and then because soon I'm going to be getting back to the landscaping on the N gauge. All right, here's my progress report for going to be today. Today I'm going to work on in here. I'm going to get all this vegetation done. I'd like to get this whole area. Get up in here. I need to, I got to glue this down. I think I'm going to do maybe a little bit more weathering. I don't know. Get that glued down. When I get the trees, I got to do the road here. So basically, this corner right around in here, I'm going to try to work on today. See how I stand, how I make out. Right now out here in the garage, it's like 42 degrees. I'm trying to get some heat up in here. So we'll see how far I get, but that's what my plan is today. And also, I hope to try to get all these trees done today also. So I'm going to get started and I'll show you what what I accomplished today. Okay, so I got the trees done. Here's my diorama. Hopefully this will be enough trees to do this back section here. I think it will. I think it will be. But I get carried away with trees too, so. That's my fall collection. All right, it's a couple days. That's what I got done as far as landscaping here. Got a lot of the trees in. It's a good start anyhow. Got on there. I don't know if you can see up in there. I put a little stockade fence. And then wasn't sure what I was going to do down here, so I put a little sign for Jerry's up there. So, don't look too bad. It's come along. At least as a start. Got a foothold in here. I had to make the little track crossing here out of balsa wood. There's a little view of the backside. There's the old coal mine, remember? I know I'm going to have to trim some of the branches on some of these trees further when I run the trains, but it shouldn't be too bad. There we are. Started work on this side. This side I'm not good, I still got to do. I got to wait till I get all this done down here. But like I said, it's come along. Put some washers on the, put a black washer on here. And then over here on these portals, I put a brown burnt umber washer on it. I think I'll put some powders on it to dirty it up and everything. So, but it's starting to come along, starting to show some shape. I just had to take this shot. I came out this morning in the garage. It's like 40 degrees in here. Turn on my electric heater and stuff. And I seen this coming through. I thought it was so neat. Like the sun coming over the mountain and shining on the town. Well, there'll be a town, but the way the light reflects off the trees, I thought was really neat. Yep, made my day. All right, so just wanted to show you how quick I did that crossing there. Just took this basswood, it's like 1/32 thin, and I just cut the size, width and how wide I want it roughly. And then I just put it over top of the rail like this and just push down over top of the rails. Got to just watch it don't go too hard on the other side, because then you'll break it because it's very thin. And yeah, you're not going to be able to see it. But it makes a mark in it. Yeah, I don't think you're going to see it. Maybe you can just about see it there. Then you just cut on either side of the rail, and that gives you the contour, a little sand or whatever you got to do, and that was it. Just took my blade and turned upside, backwards, and just scribed some lines and stained it up. So that's it. Nothing fancy, but works pretty good, because even if it's a curve or whatever, you just follow that and makes it does a good job. So that's it. All right, that's going to be it for this video. So if you could, please subscribe and hit the like button. Help me move along here. See if I can get up to that 500 subscribers. So I appreciate all your support and all your comments. Please keep them coming. I really appreciate it. I don't know what I'm going to get into next. I think I'm going to start maybe, I want to try work on the roads. I have some foam board I'm going to try, see what that's like, but I'm not sure. But we'll definitely come up with something, that's for darn sure. So until the next time we meet.